Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying the band type and model so you know which pins and tools you'll need. Once identified, power the watch off and lay it face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. Press the band release button and slide the band out straight. Do this slowly so you don't bend the tiny spring bars. If it resists, wiggle slightly while maintaining pressure. This prevents damage and reveals whether you need a replacement pin or just a cleaning. Next, inspect the connectors and spring bars closely so you can decide between repair or replacement. Use a magnifier and tweezers to remove any grit from the lug and check for bends in the bar. A bent bar won't seat properly. If corroded or damaged, replace the spring bar with the correct size. Clean the metal contacts and groove with 90% isopropyl on a soft brush to remove oils. This ensures, to finish, line up the band connector with the watch lug and compress the spring bar so it slides into place. You should hear or feel a subtle click when it locks. Once attached, test the fit by tugging gently and wearing the watch for a few minutes to confirm stability and comfort. Make final length adjustments or remove links as needed. If the connection still feels loose or the bar won't seat, stop and replace the bar or seek service. Forcing parts risks scratching the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.